Hello once again on Google Cloud. So we are here with the GK cluster. Let's check how many pods running the Istio system we have in the namespace of Istio we have. Now we can get the SVC, we're gonna call it the service. You can just abbreviate as SVC. So we have Istio running at it. And now let's check for the ASM. ASM is to the Anthos service mesh. Okay, so now we're gonna get the pods. How many pods we have the any namespace, so we can get into workloads. Gonna see everything here. Depending, I think we're on the phone namespace, all of them namespace. So that's all we have. Cool. All right. So what we're gonna do now is gonna create a namespace ingress for the ingress gateway. It's up here. Okay. Then I'm gonna run this command to label the namespace and everything about Istio and to override all that. So to label that namespace with the revision for auto injection, and I'm going to clone this REPL and I'm going to apply all the ingresses for service mesh. I'm applying the ingress gateway of Istio, also the role-based access control, etc. and etc. Let's give a little refresh at this. Okay. Then here we're going to Anthos, more products. It's going to Anthos. Then now we're going to get it the pod and serves for the namespace of ingress. It's just a separated thing. You can see this port for the ingress, load balancer. You have the Istio ingress gateway, then you create a gateway extending this not extending, using the class. So now I'm going to create a gateway. When you have your spec selector, must be this ingress gateway here. Okay. So here is gonna be my YAML. So you can check over here. I'm creating a kind of gateway. It's this name. This is the namespace. This is the selector who's gonna be answering the port 80. Okay. So this is the Istio object. You can answer this port here. All right. Now I'm going to create a virtual service, which is the proxy of the service. For example, you have this virtual service object. It's going to be called book.info, extending using the gateway we just created. And when it matches all these URLs here, it's going to destinate it to this page, routing to this page. You understood? This kind of traffic management. So now what can we get from in our namespace? The gateway and the virtual service. Virtual service is the proxy of the Kubernetes service. So now we can get the export the gateway URL, getting the ingress gateway. So I think it export this URL here. /product. Let's see here in service mesh. There's gonna be URL for that. The product page, maybe it's not P, it's lowercase. Can't remember exactly. Got it. You see here, manage the stars and without stars. You see different color stars. So there's these things here is about the many services you have for the destination rule, sending traffic for different objects. Let's click here. Let's go back here. Now, serves mesh. Let's click on topology. This is the therapy you have. Okay. We just saved the external IP address into that var. Let's install Siege. Siege is going to load traffic for that port, which is that. Let's give an echo of it. So we can do a thing like this to load traffic for that. So it's loading traffic for this URL, okay? Let's initialize another shell. Let's put all the env vars and put our gateway. Okay, now I'm executing the pod, getting the ratings page. Just to get the title of the ratings page, you can see. Simple bookup store, simple bookup store. Alright. So what we can do here is making a cur for that product page. Answers 200. And if we give this, we're gonna have the product page. And now we're gonna see the multiple things here on the Anthos. So let's have fun with the Anthos. Right here, I'm gonna look for to load some traffic over there. Wait, I have a easy command for that. Now it's gonna be hard to find it right now, but I had something that I could use a for command for doing hundreds of requests. Okay, let's leave this for a while. And on the next video, we're gonna talk about Anthos service mesh. So we're gonna close this video now. We're gonna continue the next video to be a short video.